Alright, so welcome ulit to another bike vlog, guys. So today we're gonna take a look at the Rock Bros Bicycle Lite. So actually I had the Gasiron 800 review and it was pretty popular. So I wanted to get another one, and ito actually mas mura siya for my single speed or fixed gear bike. So this is around 480 pesos. So mura. It's around 400 lumens, and from the Lazada page that I have seen, it's similar in terms of the overall look sa Gasiron 800. So unbox natin siya and also test out natin siya mamayang gabi. Right, so simple lang yung box niya, no? Says bicycle lights and wala masyadong information. So ayan, it's not the best looking box, but can't expect much for, you know, price range like this. So sa loob, you are seeing your instruction manuals, and yeah, very simple operation. And you're also getting this kind of mount. So actually mas gusto ko yung mount dun sa Gasiron. So ito parang ano lang siya, rubber kind of mount. Yung Gasiron, I think it's more stable compared to this one. But mukhang parehas yung paglalagay niya. Mamaya test out natin kung parehas pa siya ng Gasiron. But parang mas stable yung Gasiron over this one. So ito tingin ko parang kaya makuha from your bike. But yung Gasiron medyo mas stable siya. So yeah, this is the strap. And also ito na yung Gasiron. So actually look wise, very similar nga siya dun sa Gasiron natin. Pero ito parang mas rounded yung edges niya. But made of metal. So for 400 pesos na binayad ko, cool, no? Parang okay naman siya overall. Yung Rock Bros medyo misaligned ng konti. So yeah, can't expect much for a price range like this. But mukhang okay naman siya. And yun, pwede mo rin siyang gawing flashlight. So tingnan natin, test out natin kung gumagana. So yan, ilaw siya, no? Alright. So yun, syempre right off the bat, I think mas malakas yung Gasiron, pero test out natin to sa bike natin. Try natin siya ilagay. Okay, so ito na siya mounted, no? And nagustuhan ko nga na parang since rubber tong nasa ilalim, it holds in place. So pwede mo i-adjust on the fly yung angle, no? So, minsan kasi parang mas gusto ko nakadiretso, minsan gusto ko nakababa. Depende kung parang mas pag rough road, parang binababa ko siya. So yun, depende. So okay yun, na may ganun. Stable naman din siya pala. So still, the Gasiron is more stable, but this one is not bad. So yun, pag in-on nyo siya, ito magiging itsura niya on your bike. Yan, magiging parang ganyan. Actually, may light din siya sa gilid, no? So malamang, it's gonna tell you if it's turned on, and also maybe the condition of the battery din. So yun, rechargeable din to, guys. So ayun, you can recharge this one with lithium-ion batteries. So 400 pesos, rechargeable na. Quick comparison, no? So Gasiron, mas matigas talaga siya. Mas maganda yung metal build quality. And yun, mas stable yung mount nito. Tingnan mo. So yun, definitely, you get what you pay for. 2 times yung price nito, 2 times yung lumens. And mas solid yung build quality, mas solid din yung price.
Alright, so we have our Rock Bros here, 400. And we have the Gasiron 800 for this comparison. Check muna natin yung mga modes natin, no? So this is the 400 mode. This is the 200 mode. And yeah, yung dalawa yung mode na available. And you have also, pag kinold mo siya, no? And kind of a blinking mode. And medyo kakaiba yung pattern niya, no? So okay lang yung pattern. Hindi siya sobrang nakakabulag, I guess, compared to others na hyper blink talaga. So for example, sa Gasiron, no? Sa Gasiron natin, sobrang mabilis talaga yung blink. So let's try sa Gasiron, no? So dito, you have breathing, pero ito yung sobrang lakas na blink. Here we go. So ito medyo sobra na to for me. So nakakabulag talaga siya. But for the Rock Bros, okay lang yung blinking natin, no? So you just need to press to turn on and off the Rock Bros. There you go. Sa Gasiron, kailangan mo pang mag-hold. So try natin on the road, and I'll give you guys my impressions in this one.
Bros natin, no? And first impressions, guys, yung Rock Bros pala, no? Pag nilagay mo siya dun sa handlebar mo, it's lower compared to the Gasiron. Kasi yung Gasiron may mount siya, no? So yung mount niya mas mataas, mas matangkad. Si Rock Bros mas pandak ng konti. So in fairness, mas sleek si Rock Bros in terms of the overall profile niya dun sa handlebar.
So ayun, but ito yung function niya. Actually si Rock Bros mas magaan siya sa Gaseron. So yun, baka lower quality yung parts na ginamit. Siguro kasi yes, 50% yung price ni Rock Bros compared to the Gaseron. Pero ito yung light profile niya. In fairness, the 400 version, nakita ko siguro mga 8 meters in front of me. So ito medyo madilim dito sa part na to. Nakikita naman natin. But syempre, not as bright as your Gaseron 800 obviously. Pero kita naman, definitely usable, no? So try natin yung ibang modes. And ito yung 200, kanina 400. Syempre yung 200, this is a little bit too dim na for me. Definitely you would want to use the 400 mode. And try natin yung other mode, blinking. Right? So actually yung blinking, in fairness, parang okay siya. Kasi malakas yung blink niya and hindi sobrang nakakahilo. Mas gusto ko yung ganito na parang nagbabago-bago yung pattern. Kasi like for example, in my cat eye amp, after using it for maybe 2 hours, yung blink kasi doon tuloy-tuloy. Same interval. So pag pare-parehas yung interval, medyo nakakahilo after some time kasi parang na-hypnotize ka. Kasi syempre pare-parehas for 2 hours at least to nagbabago. So hindi sobrang nakakahilo. And still, personally for me, I like yung blinking kasi mukha kang bike. Yun nga lang downsides nito, over the cat eye, yung cat eye kasi meron pa rin siyang continuous na light. Ito, pag nag-off yung blink, wala talaga, zero yung light. So ayun, kulang yung headlight for me compared to the cat eye. But of course, it's incomparable kasi yung cat eye times 6 yung price niya, no? So definitely for 500 pesos, okay na to. Kasi syempre if you're gonna use it outside, alam na ng tao sa harapan mo na you're a bike. So yun pala yung advantage ng mga blinking na type of lights. But of course, yes, you have options. Ito naman yung constant na okay din. But parang mas prefer ko yung isa. Kasi ito yung sinasabi ko guys na pagdating sa constant, medyo ito, pag after siguro mga 15 minutes okay lang. Pero after some time, nakakahilo na kasi 1 hour, 2 hours ka na nagbi-blink, no? But ito, malakas naman din. Duda ko mga 400 yung light nito. So malakas siya. Mga 8 meters in front of me yung nakikita natin. So definitely for me, ang dalawang gagamitin kong mode for this one, or the Rock Bros, is the 400. So syempre if I want to have a constant light, 400 yung gagamitin natin, or the blinking na may interval. So try natin ibalik doon sa 400 light natin. There you go. Ito, okay naman siya. Di ba? So pros and cons pala nito. So pros, definitely maganda yung price niya. So for the price, okay, kasi you're getting a rechargeable light and enough na yung 400 for daily use. And also magaan siya, in fairness. I mean, yun nga, medyo it's made of lower quality parts, pero sa mga weight weenies, okay din. And actually, yung mounting niya, it might not be the most stable, pero madali siyang tanggal tsaka ibalik. So mas madali maglipat-lipat ng bike. So yun, compared to the Gaseron kasi iniikot mo pa, so mas matagal, pero mas stable yung Gaseron. Like ito, sometimes pag may malakas na lubak, medyo umusog yung Rock Bros. So yun pala, pulse ng Rock Bros, the amount is not that stable. Yun, you need to adjust it from time to time. Pero pwede nyo namang i-stretch yung mount. But sometimes kasi pag na-stretch siya, yung talagang sinikipan nyo, parang medyo natatakot ako na baka mag-break. So ayun, yun naman. Di pa natin siya minamaximize masyado. Kasi nga, gusto ko alagayan yung gamit natin. So I just opt na i-adjust na lang after some time. Kasi yung ito naman, the Rock Bros, I won't use it for more extraneous rides. So I have the cat eye for that. Ito, dito, Village. Okay tong Rock Bros. Tapos backup light for me. Okay tong Rock Bros. So ayun, another thing, con, syempre 400 pag nasa open road na kayo, baka ayun, parang makulangan kayo. So pag dito, pag chill lang naman yung pace nyo, okay lang, walang problema. Pero syempre pag bumilis-bilis kayo, like for me, Nagaseron might be a better pick kasi you want na malayo pa lang nakikita na ng tao na may bike na parating, sana kung mabilis ka, diba? Parang warning light yun sa kanila. So parang sa kotse, diba, high flash ka para malaman na ibang tao na may parating. So parang ganun dito. I mean, survivable naman siya, but better option if mas malakas. Round up na natin si Rock Bros. So for me, for the price that I paid for it, okay naman siya. I think worth it siya. So una, very usable yung modes. I like yung blinking niya, in fairness, for a light that is on this price range. Okay yung blinking. And also 400 is okay for you know, not extreme rides, yung mga daily rides, commute, ganun, okay siya. So, and syempre for the price that you paid for, you know, 490, ganyan, 500, you're getting a rechargeable light. So that's a big deal na, no? So kasi magkano ba yung mga flashlight nga na kailangan ng battery, di ba? So kung isipin mo lang yun, parang sulit na kasi ito rechargeable, lithium ion, you don't need to buy batteries, di ba? So yun nga, pag isipin mo pa lang, just using it as a normal flashlight, kasi natatanggal naman to, pwede mong gawing flashlight, sulit na, no? Eh, bike light pa siya, di ba? So definitely the value proposition is there. Tingin ko sulit yung binayad mo. So who is the Rock Bros for? So syempre first dun sa on a budget, so definitely kung nandun yung budget nyo, okay to kasi yun nga, rechargeable na. Also kung meron na kayong ibang lights, pwede tong backup, no? Kasi sometimes pag gumagamit kayo ng strong lights, kunyari meron akong Cat-Eye 800 or Nagaseron 800, minsan napipilitan akong gamitin yung brightest light. And syempre yung brightest light, sabili siya maubos. So yun, pag naubusan ka, parati ka may backup. And magaan naman kasi to, so yung nasa bike nyo siya, hindi niya masyadong mararamdaman. So ayun, parang as a backup light pwede. And also for a casual rider, kung hindi naman kayo like sobrang extraneous na sobrang lalayo ng mga pinupuntahan nyo, or also hindi naman kayo nag-tour, or hindi naman kayo racer, hindi kayo sports guy, casual user lang tayo, village, okay na to. Going to the Gaseron 800, tingin ko sulit naman yung upgrade. So definitely kung may budget kayo, I'd opt for the 800 kung meron kayo 1,000, kasi yun nga, stronger light, mas versatile syempre. But for this one, kung okay na sa inyo yung features na minention ko, okay na to. So that's our check of the Rock Bros 400. If you learned something, leave a like and subscribe for more casual bikers content. And yun, kung bibili kayo nito, if nakatulong yung review natin, para makatulong din kayo sa channel, use my links down and the description below. It's from Lazada. So it will help out the channel a lot kung gamitin niyo yung links natin. So, yun lang. Hope you enjoyed.